Here we have triangle ABC, and we can see that there are 3 line segments drawn within the triangle. Each of these line segments is called a median of the triangle. So as a reminder, a median is a segment that connects the midpoint of one side, like this point here, to the opposite vertex of that triangle. So that's why these 3 points are labeled the way they are as M sub CB, for example, meaning the midpoint of segment CB. And then that midpoint is connected to the other vertex of the triangle, across the triangle from where that midpoint is located. You'll notice that these 3 medians all meet at one point, point E. Point E is called the centroid. So the centroid is one of the points of concurrency of a triangle. A centroid specifically is the point where the 3 medians of a triangle intersect. And this centroid is interesting because at this point, it splits these medians into a specific ratio. In fact, it splits them into a 1:2 ratio. So what that means is if I know that the length here of EM sub AB, let's say I know that that length is 10. So I can see that this is the shorter part of that median. That means that the other part of the median is double that. So it would be a length of 20. And the entire median is triple that smaller part. So that entire median, CM sub AB, would be a length of 30. So if I know one piece of a median because of this ratio, I can determine the length of the other part of that median or of the entire median. Let's do another quick example. Let's say that I know that M sub CB A, so that means this entire median. Let's say I know that that entire median has a length of 48. Then I know that this part from the centroid to that midpoint would be 1/3 of the length of the whole median. 1/3 of 48 would be 16. And then I know that the other part here from A to E would be double 16, which is 32.